Many people are doing exactly what they were told to do for their shoulder, and they're still not getting better. That can be frustrating and often leads to the same question: am I doing something wrong? I'm Dr. Dan Orcutt, and today I want to talk about why certain shoulder exercises, especially the ones that seem safe or familiar, can quietly keep pain going on after 50 years old. Here's the part most people aren't told. Pain doesn't always mean an exercise is harmful, but it can mean it's mismatched from where you are, where your shoulder is, and what your shoulder needs to do right now. As we age, shoulder tissue changes, tendons tolerate loads differently, joints calm down more slowly, and movements that once felt helpful can start to irritate instead of build capacity. One common problem is repeating exercises that create tension before the shoulder is ready to handle it. Another is staying stuck in the same movement patterns for months because they feel productive, even when progress has stalled. This isn't about blame. Most people are trying to do the right thing. They're being consistent, they're pushing through discomfort because they've been told that's what progress looks like. But consistency alone doesn't solve shoulder pain. The direction matters. If pain keeps returning after exercise, that's information. It doesn't automatically mean damage. It doesn't mean failure. It means your shoulder may need a different approach right now, not more effort. This is why context matters so much. Your age, your history, and how your shoulder responds over time all play a role in what helps versus what keeps you things stuck. If you want a clear sense of what tends to slow recovery and what to avoid, you may find this video helpful. What not to do after shoulder surgery. And if you're dealing with ongoing shoulder pain and want a calmer way to think through what's relevant to you, there's a free shoulder pain checklist that many people use to organize their next steps. Both of these are linked down below. Remember, you're not broken. You're just trying to solve a problem with incomplete information, and that can be fixed.